Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy N31LE, and if you notice, you're a little bit taller today. I wonder why that is. We're doing some work on the truck.
Get out the way, you got a watch, you got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, I got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really go close. I'm trying to get these ends.
So you're probably wondering, why is he doing truck content? Why are we working on the truck? Because it needs to be worked on, man. There's got stuff to do, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. No, I'm not out of bike content. We got plenty of that to go. So trust me, we just got the bike back the other day. I've got to pull that out, take that apart, do some stuff to it. We got a lot of stuff to do. But for right now, what we're going to be doing is replacing the air filter on my 2015 Ram 3500 Cummins. Can you see me? No, I'm just kidding. But you got 3 bolts here. 1, 2, and 3. Now, I bought my truck used, so this may be different for your Ram, but just look at the bolts. There should be 3, and just look to see like what they take. So this might be a 10 millimeter. This might be a little bit smaller. It's like a 6 or a 7, but looks like we can take that out by hand. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then these 2 with a Phillips head. Go ahead and remove these. Put them somewhere safe where you're not going to lose the bolts. And just go ahead and pull this way and out. Now if you look, my filter is disgusting. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and toss that. So I've got with me here a Fram air filter. I just got this from AutoZone. Sorry, auto parts store. So the part number is FDA 10261. It's a Fram air filter. Now, all this is getting replaced when I get a new turbo, so I'm not really too worried about the air filter. I think this was like $26 or something like that. So trucks needs a new air filter, so I'm just gonna throw in this one, call it a day. Now, you may want to take off some of these rubber pieces because these can get sucked into the turbo, which is what you don't want. So go ahead and remove some of that. I didn't even think to look at this, but yeah, everything looks all good. Look in there, make sure there's no like debris. Everything looks good. Go ahead and pop that bad boy in. And that's all you got. Go ahead and push your airbox back together. Screw these screws back in. And that's how we do a super quick video on how to replace the air filter on your Ram 6.7 Cummins. And this doesn't even look like it wants to screw back in. That's why I hate buying used sometimes. Dang it, man. God, I just want my stuff to go back together nicely. But we ain't gonna worry about that. That ain't coming out. But yeah, that's how you replace the air filter for a Ram 6.7 Cummins. If you like today's video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel. That way, whenever I drop any new content, you'll be the first to know. If you have any comments, drop them down below. Remember, I'm here for you guys, so anything you want to see, let me know and I'll make the video for you. Thanks for tuning in.